Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Showing you our 3 days trip to Manila just to attend the graduation ceremony of our youngest son. So, I will show you also a little glimpse of the graduation event, our travel from Cavite to UP Diliman, and our travel from Iloilo to Manila and Manila to Iloilo. So, enjoy guys! Thank you so much. God bless. Ay, pwede po.
Sa likod lang nagdanda mo sa ado sir. Sa likod lang ka mga
Okay, thank you.
Join tatay, dua tatay. Hello, Cebu Pacific. Ay, hindi gali, no? Air Asia, no?
Asia.
UC Manila.
Belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Tong isa, tong isa. Arrival na kami guys. Magkuhan ako sa airport.
We are now here at UP Diliman campus and presently here in Kamya Dormitory.
Kit miming ba? Dapat sa'y miming ba? Miming. Familiarization sa UP.
Dahil hall, Mascom, Sendai, Canada Beach.
Ready for the
Along here to
graduation on Monday.
Gapong ko ang mga presidente ng tanan-tanan, sundod di kami na diyo. Putanan nila, pulong ko ang dalawa. Gra ka pa.
Okay, next, Dano Dason.
Green University graduation nila.
Tinator ni kami sa anak namon. UP Diliman, thank you so much sa pagpaalam sa akon anak. Nami sa UP Diliman, no? Damo mga trees.
So, kumbaga, ang sunflower, amo giding iya kapag ano niya case,
Oo,
kada
yung
graduation
tanong din
get.
nila exactly.
Para sa
parang
graduation lang yan?
mag-bloom sa graduation.
Ah, okay. So, kung mga lain niya binulang, gili, waay man na da.
Oo, wala. Ginasan to, nila ang tanong na
Na mag-bloom siya sa graduation get.
After roaming around the huge campus of UP Diliman, now we are going home to Cavite.
Yan yung ang hirap dito sa... May pasok pa ba? Wala na po, pinauwi na po mga estudyante. Pinauwi na po. Iba yung detalye niya. Grade 10. Oo, grade 10. Oo, grade 10 na. Grade 10 yan. Ayan yan. Sa mga... Oo, iba yung mga version na. Alam mo ba, tingin lang kasi na yung social bilangan. Talagang search po agad.
Tapos lang po ako para sa ng mga bata.
Dahil ano po yung nabalitaan ninyo?
Hindi ko po alam, sabi daw po may kabalitan, pero
Sakit mo kamot.
ano kaya, ako na lang po.
Yes, sinundo na lang ninyo yung anak niyo. Anong grade na po ng anak niyo? Dalawa po sila?
Hindi po, kapit-bahay po natin.
Bahay, sinabay na po ninyo?
Apo.
Ayan, nanay, isang taon kayo.
Dumihari na di nga nami balang daw sang una balang ilang
Nabalitaan ko lang sa kapit-bahay.
ano balita nga tay. Ayo tay rally ng mga iglesia ni Cristo ni oh. Damo mga ano, damo mga photographer, vlogger, mga kwan. Social media.
Meeting kami na umagang-umaga sa security meeting namin. So, actually yung pinag-uusapan namin yung mga pagkabagla sa mga tech at yun po, ginagawa namin ang parang paano ba natin matatawakan.
Ayo.
I get the chance to explore Cavite, and the first place is the Lancaster New City. While we are riding the e-bike, the driver is very talkative and very friendly, so we chat him until we arrive in our house.
70 yata isang tao dyan sa simbahan.
Dito ka, nung dyan sa simbahan, 50 lang din nila.
Mga hindi yun dyan, te. Pag nasingal kayo 50, hindi yun dyan. May pila talaga dyan eh.
Meron.
Mga mandurubas.
Pero yung matanda, kasi yung inaano niyang pamasahe, binigyan ko ng 30. Pinanggap naman. Ako kasi yung inaano niya sa pamasahe.
Kaya nga kayo, ano, sabi.
Wise tayo. Pagkalam ko, mahal ko pag pag-e-bike.
Oo. Wala kasing tricycle dito sa loob.
Wala nga.
Bawal kasi may ano, ayan oh, may terminal po kasi. Pag pinasok ko ng tricycle, wala na yan.
Kaya nga. Mas madami sa tricycle.
Oo, kahit ako
Mura
mag-tricycle.
kasi ang tricycle.
Renta lang yun eh. Hanggang bahay mo pa yun. Hindi ka na.
We also have a time to visit our tito in this place, Grand Meadows. This is the graduation ceremony of the Social Sciences and Philosophy.
Marlo Vista. Ang ating pong sasalubugan ang masigabong palakpakan, ang panahuing nagkapagsalita ng taong Pinoy, Reverendo Andres Lapian.
Sea Erika Felix, magna cum laude. Cruz Calista Rey Andre.
Christopher Cliff Espino. Edralyn Marco Lorenzo. Espino Eugene Claire Belen Dimal. Espirito Sara Nunez. Pangiling
Hindi gawa, blur gawa.
Raimundo Dreamer Scholarship Program para sa taong Pampanuruan 2025-2026. Sila ay sina Ancheta Queen Nico Noreen Christine, Basa Julia Christine, Kapili Eliza Jo.
After the event, we decided to go home by riding a bus and we passed by Mall of Asia. Here sa Mall of Asia. Building tayo. Sa Qatar lang. No? Good morning from Manila, Philippines, and early in the morning we departed from Cavite at around 4:30 a.m. and now we are proceeding to UP Diliman. The time is around 5 a.m. in the morning and it's very nice to see that there is no traffic at this time.
Kasi parang shooting eh, yung flyover niya. Quiapo. Dapat nagsimba kami sa Quiapo ulit.
Ayun, no? Namin na akong daan daw. Ang wish mo pala mag-grant gid ya.
Quiapo Church. Simba kami dati. Sa UP Bliss. Dito sa sunflower to.
Oo, ako na yung sunflower pot. Ganun tawag nila.
Tuloy-tuloy pa yung ganitong weather kasi meron pang mga college recognition rides in the coming days, I think. Ayan. Before anything else, we would like to remind everyone that the official program is also available through live stream via the official social and the UP Diliman website. Lectura. Paaralan ng aralin sa aklatan at impormasyon.
Sunflower at UP Diliman. Okay na tayo?
Tara.
At Profesor Cesar Saloma, pangalawang Pangulo, Pagkakas Tagatan.
Ara sa imo ang ako yung antipara. Dalang. Ano? Dili ka mayo. Mo dito.
I miss you, Mega Mall. So, Pasay na eh. Subong sa Terminal 1 yan, Ninoy.
Yeah, Terminal 2.
Terminal 2. Dito yung panaugan ta last time mo man eh.
Yes. Diretso po ba kayo?
Just landed Iloilo and ready to go home, guys.
Welcome to Iloilo, sir. Are you happy, sir? Sir, are you happy? Duty Philippines. Namutawo din sila. Isang morning. Aga na din sa Iloilo. Good morning. Aga na din sa Iloilo. Wala kami tulog-tulog pagyapon. Good morning. I would like to say thank you to Junjun and IB for the good accommodation and also to the service they have given us from Cavite to UP Diliman, and also Tioy for giving us dinner. Thank you very much.